Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about this mic which is Hollyland Lark M2S. It was released about a year ago, but recently I won a giveaway from Hollyland and they sent me this. And since I'm trying to grow my channel, I started recording the video right away when I got the mic, but I missed out a whole lot of point because again I'm trying to do this and I'm gonna fail every now and then, and this is one of those moments. So you're gonna see the change of my t-shirt color when I'm doing the unboxing, and rest of the video I'm just with this. So without any more delay, let's get into it. Is the Lark M2S. They got me the ultimate combo, which has the lightning adapter at the same time, USB-C, and the camera one. So I don't have any anti-cutter. I have my fruit knives and I'm gonna use it to unbox it. I'm gonna just bring you guys a little bit over here. Yep, that's pretty much visible. Okay, let's dig in. That's a fail. Yeah, I do need an anti-cutter. It's fine. That's probably one of the weirdest way I have hold a knife. Okay. Yeah, I think these are all the papers. Let's see, does it come with any stickers? Okay. Is the manual with everything that it comes with. As you can see, all these things inside of it. Let's get into it more. Let's see what's inside. Okay. And that's about it. Nothing else. Let's open this. I have some experience with this mic versus this one, as there isn't much difference. The mostly difference is on the crispiness of the audio and the form factor, and other than that, when it comes to audio quality, but I still find this has a little bit crispier sound. Like, I think I'm missing something over here, which is the lightning port. I see the USB-C. It might be inside this one. Let's see what inside this. And here it is, the lightning, the dying breed. Okay, let's open this one by one. Okay, there is the one with lightning, then the cable. So that's about it. And inside the box, the USB-C for the your professional camera, and both of them. And one thing in the box, if you notice, there is a do's and don't, like how to put this thing on. So when you're putting it on, actually I made the mistake because I did not knew it. On my first recording, I put this side inside the shirt. Okay, but what you should actually do is put this side always outside. So that was the unboxing of Lark M2S. I already have this mic in my office, and because of that I do have prior experience. And one of the biggest thing about this mic, just because I have this doesn't mean I can sell the older mic. The reason being is, first of all, this one definitely has better noise cancellation and much more refined and crispier tone compared to Lark M2, but this one actually has better battery life. And one more thing with that, there's only one light that indicates where is your charging level at and if you need to charge it or not. However, Lark M2, there is four lights, small lights, that shows where is your charge at right now. Like, mine right now has one less, so definitely I should give it a little bit of charge. Also, this one has tons of mounting accessories comes with it. You can put it as a locket, you can put it as a clip, and you can also put it on different kind of accessories. For example, let me show you with a actual example. Okay, I got it. So Lark M2, you can put it on a fork. That was weird, but okay. You can put it on a fork. You can put it on a spoon. You can put it on a griddle, or with the clip you can put it on any kind of card that you have around the house and just put it on top of it. And having all this asset is actually helpful, because let's just say you're doing a guerrilla style video where you're out in the street interviewing people. Having a reporter style mic is something that might intimidate people or make them like, okay, I don't want to deal with this is probably a news thing. But with this thing, it's just up there, it's small. At the same time, you can just have a quickly conversation like speaker A and B, and sometime to make your interviews fun, you can just bring out a props such as like this thing or this one, and just have it there and be like, I think there is a show that's in New York. It takes place in a metro station, like metro street, metro cars, metro trains. Yes, metro trains where they interview people and they have their mic over here. I'm not sure. I think they have the Lark M2, but who's to say? But at the same time, this is not bad. This is also very helpful, especially if you're doing corporate video. In corporate video, mic like this that's up here on your face is just drags the attention over there. Like people gets curious. If the eye goes there, like that's a big mic. Or maybe just I'm overthinking it. But with this one is just there. It's just here or there, and you are good. You don't have to worry about this taking any attention in your interviews. So for corporate settings, this is absolutely gold. So both of them have unique advantage, and I cannot in rightful mind get rid of any of them, because having this options, it helps a lot. Like suddenly I'm working with a corporate client, this helps. Suddenly I'm working with creators, this helps. In addition, I also want to talk about one more mic, which is Lark Max 2. It's quite new. It came out last year. This mic has 32-bit float audio. They're claiming broadcasting quality audio. And one of the nicest thing about that mic is you can convert it into lavalier, and it has an internal recording when it comes to the mic receiver, and you can connect 4 mic at the same time. Even if I get that mic, which is my dream mic, and I really would like to buy that, I don't think I can get rid of any of these other two options, because having this option just helps, and each mic does something that other mic does not when it comes to functionality. Now, this is very interesting. Not every now and then you see companies doing this. We have bunches of smartphone company who releases a new phone each year to replace the mobile from last year, right? We have the latest and greatest iPhone 17 or Galaxy 26 or 24, whatever is out there. But when it's come to Hollyland, they're releasing each year something new, not to replace the one that was released last year, but making an addition, which actually helps. And not everybody needs 32-bit float audio or broadcasting quality mic or a mic with the 4 receivers. So you see, each one of them helps. Just because this is the new one that came out last year, I cannot say, oh, you know what, do not buy the Lark M2. You can still buy Lark M2 if you need it. But at the same time, if you have more money, budget is high, and or if you just want to make an investment, one-time investment, Max 2 is probably my goated king. I mean, there are other companies out there, but for now, for the budget, that's wonderful. I believe like not everything that is good has to be expensive, and Hollyland's product just does that. I'm most likely sounding like I'm glazing too much, but I'm really surprised that even if I got this, doesn't mean I can eliminate the one that was released 2 3 years ago. So yeah, that's a wonderful thing to have, honestly. Now, since I have both of this mic with me, let's do a quick comparison of the audio. I'm going to read an article and you decide which one you pick. So here's the read. NVIDIA Vice President Brian Catanzaro says that for his team, AI compute now costs more than the employee using it, making AI more expensive than human labor. A 2024 MIT study find AI automation is economical viable only about 23% of jobs, with humans still cheaper in remaining 77. Despite unclear productivity gain and high cost, big tech companies have committed around 740 billion to AI related expense this year, a 69% jump from 2025. Now I do have something to say about this, but this is not the video for that one. Now that was the quality of the both mic. Make your own decision. One of the best thing that I do always when I'm looking for a product is I always looking for what are the problem with it next to the all the benefits, because the benefits are really easy to see, but it's the problem that are always in the hidden in the corners, right? So do that, get your own. To end with, would I recommend this mic? Yes and no. uh, if you're doing a lot of influencer stuff, content creator, um, even the most of the commercial stuff, if it's not a highly paid, like this is good. This is good enough. This is good for run and gun. Absolutely over this one. But if you're doing corporate events, weddings, and at the same time YouTube video, such as I'm trying to do, this is really good because again, much more refined voice, better ANC, not ANC, noise cancellation just. And one thing I understood while I was doing research on these mics, I'm doing a research on a podcast setting, which is I might have to do in the future. One thing I understood for those kind of situation, if you want better control of the audio, this is not gonna be the one. Neither this. You need something like Lark Max 2. The reason being, first of all, you can connect lavalier mic to that, and the problem with all these mics are they're omnidirectional. There's one which is Insta 360 mic pro, but the problem with that is it does unidirectional, but again with the help of AI, so it's not a proper unidirectional. And for podcast setup, you need a mic that has unidirectional setup. Lark Max 2, by default, it's an Omni mic, but with the connection of lavalier mic that is unidirectional, you can make it exactly what you want. The way you point that mic is the way it's gonna catch the audio. Rest of the stuff around are gone. And that was my take on this mic. I hope you liked the video. If it helps, awesome. If it did not, put the dislike button down there. And if you have any kind of like comments, feedback, anything, you can put it down in the comment section. I'll do my best to read them, and I hope to see you there. Other than that, see you guys in the next video.